So let us come to the third question of case study based question. Here we have a new case study which is based on the polynomials, and here we have a very simple application based on the parabolas, which is highway and overpasses or underpasses. You must have seen in your life, everyday life. The highway underpass is a parabolic in shape, just like the parabolas. We drew the graph of quadratic equation, which is known as parabola. It is a graph that results from p of x is equals to x square plus px plus c, and it is symmetric about the vertical line, as you must have seen in the question in your chapter 2. And the minimum and maximum point is called vertex when we have upper open and the lower open point according to the value of a. Let us come to the question directly. These are very simple questions. The first question here is given as, if the highway overpass is represented by this equation, what are its zeros? हमको इस equation के zero निकालना है. There is a direct question where p of x is x square minus 2x minus 8. So here we have to find out the zeros of this. So clearly it is a case of splitting of middle term problem. So we can split this by using the factors of 8 in form of minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. And if we look at these two pairs now, from the first pair we can take out x, so x minus 4. And if we take out 2 from the second pair, it will get 2 into x minus 4. So overall we have x minus 4 as common, the remaining is x plus 2. So when we talk about the zeros, so the zeros of p of x is x minus 4 is equals to 0, or x plus 2 is equals to 0. So from here we are getting the value of x as 4, or x is equals to minus 2. So here clearly we have 4 and minus 2, which is your second option. Let us come to the second part of this question. We have a situation here. The highway overpass is represented graphically. If we plot that on the graph, the zeros of a polynomial can be expressed graphically, and now we have to answer according to this. Number of zeros of a polynomial is equals to the number of points where the graph of polynomial intersect x-axis, intersect y-axis, intersect x or y-axis, and fourth one is none of the above. यहाँ पर जो भी इक्वेशन आती है वो पैराबोला हमेशा अपवर्ड या डाउनवर्ड ओपन होता है, और ये नंबर ऑफ जीरोस जो है वो हम हमेशा देखते हैं कि जो ग्राफ है उसका वो एक्स एक्सिस पर कितनी जगह इंटरसेक्ट करेगा. एट मोस्ट इट कैन बी 2. पैराबोला में जो इक्वेशन है p ऑफ x, दैट इज x स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c. सो हियर the maximum number of zeros can be 2, so it can have value 0, 1 or 2. So this can be we can find out this by just observing the x-axis, the number of times the graph is intersecting the x-axis. That will give us the number of zeros of the given polynomial. So the correct option here is first, the intersection of the polynomial at x-axis. We will give the number of zeros to it. So let us come to the C part of this question number 19. The graph of the quadratic polynomial is the first option is straight line, second is circle, third is parabola, and fourth is ellipse. क्वाड्रेटिक पोलिनोमियल का जो ग्राफ होता है, जब हम इसको ड्रॉ करते हैं तो एक पैराबोला आता है, जैसा कि हमने पिछले क्वेश्चन में भी देखा था. एक्स और वाई एक्सिस है, इसका जब ग्राफ बनाएंगे तो वो कितने पॉइंट पे एक्स एक्सिस पे कट कर रहा है, टच कर रहा है, तो हमको नंबर ऑफ जीरोस उससे पता चलते हैं. सो इट इज क्लियरली अ पैराबोला. सो द थर्ड ऑप्शन हियर इज द करेक्ट. Now let us come to this fourth part of question number 19. The question is, the representation of highway underpass whose one zero is 6 and sum of the zeros is 0 is First option, x square minus 6x plus 2, x square minus 36, x square minus 6 and x square minus 3. So this is related to the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So let us come to that. Here 1 0 is given. Let the roots are alpha and beta. Then we have the value of alpha here, it is 6, and the sum of 0, alpha plus beta, is given as 0. So from here, if we substitute the value, we get beta is equals to minus 6. The value of beta is coming out to be minus 6. So the required equation which will represent the underpass, so the required equation will be x square minus sum of zeros alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So here let me calculate the value of alpha beta. This is 6 into minus 6, so we are getting here minus 36. So from here what we are getting, x square minus alpha plus beta, the sum of 0 is 0, x plus minus 36. So finally the answer is x square minus 36. So from here the solution of the equation which will represent the higher under pass is x square minus 36, which is our second option. Let us come to the last question of this question number 19. The number of zeros that polynomial fx, which is defined as x minus 2 whole square plus 4, can have is. We have to find the number of zeros. As you know that the number of zeros of a quadratic polynomial is at most 2. So the fourth option, that is 3, is not possible at all. So from these 3 we will have the correct answer, and for this what we can do is the number of zeros can be obtained by equating the equation with 0. So here we have to put f of x as 0. So what we are getting, x minus 2 whole square plus 4 is equals to 0. If we try to get the value of x here, what we can do, we will shift this here, x minus 2 whole square is equals to minus 4. Now the square of any number, the situation here, the square of a number is coming out to be minus 4. So here in this case there will be no real roots. So there will be no real roots. So the number of zeros which we can have here is 0. Means इस इक्वेशन का कोई भी रियल रूट एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगा, इसलिए यहाँ नंबर ऑफ जीरोज जो होंगे हम 0 रखेंगे. मीन्स द थर्ड ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर.